What if I told you the next big breakthrough in AI art is already here? And no, it's not Midjourney, Leonardo AI, or other famous magic tools like that. It's actually something even better. It's smarter, faster, and yep, you can start using it for free. Meet TensorArt, the powerful AI image generator that's making waves in 2025. Whether you're a content creator, designer, or just someone who loves cool visuals, this is the creative tool you didn't know you needed. Stick around, because I'm going to walk you through how to create stunning, professional quality art, animations, and even short films with TensorArt. And the best part? You can start completely free, thanks to daily credits just for signing in. Getting started is super simple. Just head over to TensorArt, links in the description, and sign in. Once you're in the dashboard, click Creation. Now type out a detailed description of the image you want. For example, a sleek cyberpunk fox hero in a glowing neon suit crouches on a rain-soaked rooftop, overlooking a futuristic cityscape. Then pick a model. TensorArt gives you lots of AI models to choose from, each with its own unique style and level of detail. Want super realistic portraits? Go for Realistic Vision. It nails lifelike images with amazing clarity. Into anime art? Anything is your go-to model for bold, expressive characters with smooth shading. For a dreamy, painterly look, try Dream Shaper. It blends fantasy with realism, perfect for digital paintings. There are even cinematic and sci-fi models that generate dramatic scenes, futuristic environments, and moody lighting. Today, we're going with the 3D Animation Flux model, ideal for detailed animated visuals with a polished look. Choose Landscape Aspect Ratio for wide shots. Add an upscaler to boost image quality. Set how many images you want. Let's do 2. Use the Magic tool to enhance your prompt with more detail. You can also include negative prompts like blurry or low resolution to filter out unwanted results. Once everything's set, click Generate and watch your idea turn into reality within seconds. Click Result to preview your image and Download to save it. But hold on. TensorArt isn't just about making still images. Head to the Tools section and you'll find a bunch of advanced features to take your creations even further. Need to tweak an image? Use in-painting to adjust or redo specific parts without starting over. Want to remove a background? Done. There's a built-in background remover. Need high-res images? Use the Upscaler tool. Whether you're into realistic, surreal, or something totally unique, TensorArt has the right tools and AI models to match your vibe. Let's talk about the Face Swap tool. It's surprisingly easy. Start in the Creation section and generate an image you'd like to use. Choose your model, add LoRa if needed, set the aspect ratio to landscape, and enable the upscaler. Write a simple prompt, use the Magic tool to refine it, pick how many images you want, and hit Generate. In seconds, you'll have a crisp image ready for face swapping. For the best results, use images with similar lighting and angles. Click Generate, and in a few seconds, you'll have your swapped image ready. Check the result, and if it looks off, just try again. Once you're happy, download and share it however you like. Now let's explore one of TensorArt's coolest features, the Image-to-Video tool. This lets you bring your art to life with motion, camera effects, and smooth transitions. Unlike other basic animation tools, TensorArt gives you full control. From motion strength and style blending to transition finesse. Whether it's flowing hair, dramatic zoom-ins, or even short AI-powered films, the possibilities are endless. And just like that, you've unlocked a whole new level of creativity with TensorArt. Give it a try. Click the link in the description, and don't forget to leave a comment telling me what you made. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe to Earnimate Earn, and turn on the bell so you never miss the next big thing in content creation.